In this video, we'll explore how Google went from a garage startup to a global powerhouse, and what it controls today. In 1998, Stanford PhD students Larry Page and Sergey Brin set out to organize the world's information. The internet was chaos. Their project, Backrub, aimed to bring order. Their breakthrough was PageRank, an algorithm that ranked websites by importance, not just keywords. This approach, inspired by academic citations, made search results feel almost magical. The name Google, a play on Google, reflected their ambition to organize infinite information. Their clean, simple homepage stood out in a cluttered web. Users flocked to Google for its speed and accuracy, making it the default gateway to the internet. Page and Brin realized whoever controlled search controlled information. Google wasn't just a search engine, it was becoming the main entrance to the digital world. The garage was just the beginning. Google was about to reshape technology forever. Let's see how Google's ambitions grew beyond search. Google's vision quickly expanded beyond search. Their first major move, acquiring YouTube in 2006 for $1.65 billion. YouTube became the world's video hub, giving Google control over how we watch and share media. Google also bought Keyhole, which became Google Maps, mapping the physical world. The double-click acquisition made Google the king of online advertising, turning user data into profit. Each acquisition added a new layer to Google's ecosystem. Search, video, maps, ads, all interconnected. Your searches influence your ads, which influence your YouTube recommendations. Google's strategy: create a seamless web of services, making it nearly impossible to use the internet without them. But Google's ambitions didn't stop at the desktop. They set their sights on the next frontier: mobile. As the world went mobile, Google made a bold move, buying Android Inc. in 2005. Instead of building their own phones, Google gave Android away for free to manufacturers. This open-source strategy flooded the market with affordable smartphones, all running Google services. Android became the world's dominant mobile operating system, powering over 70% of smartphones. Every Android device deepened users' ties to Google: Search, Maps, Gmail, and the Play Store. Google became the gatekeeper for apps, search, and navigation on billions of devices. The Android army ensured Google's empire extended into every pocket and purse. With search, video, and mobile conquered, Google's next power play was data. Google's true power comes from data. Every search, video, map, and email adds to a vast profile of billions of users. This data fuels Google's advertising empire, letting them target ads with uncanny precision. Your attention is the product, and Google is the marketplace. But data isn't just for ads, it's the foundation for Google's AI ambitions. In 2014, Google bought DeepMind, creators of AlphaGo, pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Now AI powers Google search, photos, and assistant, anticipating needs, recognizing faces and responding to your voice. We invite this intelligence into our lives, trading privacy for convenience. Google is no longer just organizing information, it's building an all-seeing, all-knowing digital brain. But what does this mean for our daily reality? Google's influence shapes our world in ways we barely notice. Its algorithms decide what news you see, what videos you watch, and even which businesses you visit. YouTube recommendations can shape culture or push viewers to extremes. Google Maps guides our movements, while the Play Store controls which apps succeed. In schools, Google for Education shapes how kids learn, creating lifelong users. In developing nations, cheap Android phones make Google the gateway to the internet. Google's reach is everywhere, essential, invisible, and often unquestioned. We've traded privacy for convenience and autonomy for efficiency. The company that started in a garage now organizes our lives. The real question: how much of ourselves are we willing to hand over to Google's empire of algorithms? If you found this eye-opening, tap like and subscribe for more.